We are the champions. RCB's champion. We are the champions. Hello everybody, and as everybody knows what happened yesterday, one of the best nights for all RCB fans like us. The king has sat back in his throne as the RCB lifts the second title in a row. Every team has come to defend the title, but we attacked it. And that was the reason we were known as the attacking champions. And they were shown today this match. How brilliantly was the match going. When GD came to bat, the top three, who would say the best top three, the most consistent top three, I think they were not including RCB boys because they just flopped. Cesar in 12, Shuman Gill 10 and Josh Butler 19. And everybody knows how exploited is GT's middle order, which was I also talked in the preview about their exploitation. It could be seen. Just 155 against a batting lineup, which is aggressive batting lineups. No. And the good thing is Venkatesh Virat Kohli was smacking too. He did not leave Rabada this time. He did not make the mistake of getting out of Rabada. Now Venkatesh particularly also went. And other end, Virat Kohli stayed. And if he stayed, and if he is chasing the total, how is it possible? Two wickets he fell in, Virat Kohli stayed and scored a brilliant 75. Due to this, RCB for the second time in the row won a trophy, which is such a brilliant thing now. Today RCB, Josh Butler getting Shuman Gill's wicket in the next over. Naishwar Kumar getting wicket of Shuman Gill. The match was completely not similar. Josh Butler playing very, very slow. And after him getting out, the middle order could dance. Though a good 50 was Sundar to get a bit good, though not good too. There was no time. And the experience of Virat Kohli, Josh, winning of was clearly seen. How experienced, how did they use those techniques to get them out. And the young team of Gujarat didn't fail against the Britishers. And that easily was seen. Something you need to keep in mind. One more chase for the RCB, one more cup for the RCB, 2 in a row, it's time for hat-trick this time. Jude is bowling good, they did a good job, they actually did shoot at the 17 overs, but the batting could not do that first, because if they had got a 200 plus student, if they're not getting beginner, or the whole momentum would have changed. Maybe RCB, and then out of this bowling lineup, there could be something else. But when the RCB bowling shined, this is what happened. And that is what happened. A brilliant match for the RCB. Batting was insane. Brilliant batting from the top order and the middle order. Bowling was excellent. GT's collapse batting. Everything was something to see, something to witness this day. And everybody would have not missed it. RCB winning the title. And now you can see behind me, it is the RCB winning their IPL 2026 this time, showing how much we loved the RCB. So hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, tell me as now the IPL is over. And now tell me what topics do you want videos on. It will come to you. That I'll do it in the comment. All the ideas you know. Don't miss it out. How happy RCB fans mention. How happy you are GT fan. How do you feel now? Put it in the comments. Till the time. Bye.